On private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think.
Hey you guys, so I'm hoping you guys can enjoy this 5-minute plucking tutorial. Make sure you guys click that notification bell and that subscribe button to catch more of my content. I did get this hair from Bling Hair Princess off of the TikTok shop, and I am going to tag the link in the description below, so just keep an eye out for that. So this wig is body wave and it is 34 inches. The lace front is 13 by 6 and the density is 180%. But y'all, look how good this hair looks. It looks so good. It's so soft. The texture is great. The lace is great. So I first start off by pushing all the hairs back with a comb. And make sure you get all the hairs because you don't want to bleach none of the hairs when you do put bleach on the lace. And you guys, before you bleach your knots, you do need to get a can of Got2b and spray on the hairline of the lace front, just so you can push all the hairs back and it could stick. Why? Because you don't want the hair to bleach. So you got to be really, really careful about that. I am not going to do a bleaching tutorial on this video. You guys can stay tuned for that. I'll do that on my next one. But I am going to show you guys how I pluck a little bit. Yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell so you can get notified every time I post. You also want to flip the wig over just so you could put some Got2b on the inside of the wig. It works every time when I'm bleaching my knots, trust me. Okay baby, so now look at these knots. You guys, I did not put much bleach on the knots just because sometimes I would over bleach and I was kind of scared of that with this wig, so I kind of toned down just a but y'all, the lace do look really good. It look like it's giving scalp. As you guys can see, I am parting off the edges just so I can see where I'm going when I pluck the lace. I think it's gonna look marvelous, don't you guys? You do want to try to pluck the lace when the hair is wet. I like to do that method just because when it's dry, it'd be a little harder. But you can choose whichever way you want to. I just like to do it when it's wet. Do be really careful when you pluck the lace because y'all, I done plucked a couple holes in my laces, but they still be looking good. You just can't tell, but y'all, I'm a little rough. Like I said before, subscribe to my channel to see more content. I will do a bleaching tutorial on our next episode, so stay tuned. So y'all, I like to keep a pattern on where I'm plucking the hair. Like I said, I didn't bleach this wig very long. I didn't use as much bleach this time, so some of the knots might still be a little black. But overall, the wig still looks really, really good. So as y'all can see, I'm just plucking the wig as I go. I'm making sure the lace look really good once I finish. But you guys, just get into this lace. Like, didn't I do so good? This wig is actually gonna melt and be scalp, nothing but scalp. But yeah, you guys, the link to this wig will be in the description below, so you definitely want to be on the lookout for that. Y'all, look how good I plucked this lace. Like, I just cannot believe this lace looked this good. And I can remember when I first started bleaching my knots, I didn't do so well. I used to bleach the hair as well. It used to be so crazy. And now I see that all it takes is a little bit of practice and consistency. So as I get done with plucking the lace, I do go over the lace with a hot comb just so I could get all the hairs out of the way for when I put this wig onto my head. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I will be doing a bleaching tutorial next on how I bleach my knots. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share this video. I didn't get to finish this video because my phone died. I also wanted to do a styling tutorial for you guys, but I couldn't. But be on the lookout for my next videos because I'm definitely going to give you guys the content you've been looking for. Really, really hope you guys enjoyed this video. My TikTok will be in the link in the description below. On my TikTok, you guys could find all the products that I've been promoting, the wigs and etc. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe and always keep in tuned. I love you guys so much and thank you for watching.
Late at night, make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who